Alright, welcome back to Worx. Today we're going to be doing a oil change on a 2009 Hyundai Santa Fe with the 3.3 V6. First step, what you want to do, there's 4 10mm nuts and bolts holding this cover on, and you'll need to get that off because the oil filter's right here. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, cover's off. There's where the oil filter is. Next step, we'll take a 17mm wrench and drain the oil. Alright, so got the 17mm on the drain plug, and we'll loosen it up. Alright, we'll go ahead and let that drain. Okay, so while the oil's draining, let's put the new oil filter on. So here's the housing here, and you should be able to twist it by hand. You don't need any tools. Have a rag or some paper towels ready because it might drip when you take it out of here. Okay, so then it'll just pull out of the housing like that. Okay, so then the new oil filter is going to be this here. And like I said, this is for 09, so I think like a 07, 08, they might have changed this part number. So, and comes oil filter, the big and small O-ring, and the washer for the drain plug. So to take the old O-rings off, I just use this tool here. It's a Harbor Freight Special. Just get under there. Like that. And same for the small one. and then just put the new O-rings on. Make sure they're seated in the groove. Just like that. And this oil filter, it doesn't matter which way it goes in, it's the same on both sides. And then this just goes in the assembly. You can hear it kind of click in, just like that. And this is the flavor of oil that I use, 530 Castrol Synthetic. And just, you want to put a coating of oil on these O-rings. So I just dipped my finger in the oil jug and got some oil on my finger to do that. Alright, we'll put this back in the housing here. And once it gets to that O-ring, it's going to be a little bit harder to turn. But there you go. That's on. And then as far as the washer for the drain plug, it's just going to go on like so. And we'll go ahead and put that on now. Okay, drain plug is back in. So that metal washer that goes on the plug, the old one is actually stuck to the oil pan, so make sure that comes off. You don't want a double washer on there. You might have a leak. So just be aware of that. Okay, so now we'll fill it up. Make sure you got a funnel that's cleaned out. Okay, and the oil capacity is 5.5 quarts. So that jug I just put in is 5 quarts, so we'll add another half a quart. Okay, so now it's all full. Put the cap back on. And now we'll go ahead and put the engine cover back on. These two go in the back. And these two nuts go in the front. Alright, so that will complete the oil change on this. And what I like to do during oil change is make sure all the lights are working, and I'll check the air pressure in the tires and top off the windshield washer fluid, check the coolant, and that about wraps it up. Hopefully this helps you out. Please like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.